Hi guys, in this video we will talk about how to configure PF Master in the system. To configure PF Master in the system, you will click on HR Admin module, then you will click on Statutory Deduction, and after that you will click on Provident Fund option. Once you click on Provident Fund option, a page will appear on your screen where you can configure the Provident Fund Master. In PF short name, you will enter PF as a short name for Provident Fund. In PF name, you will enter Provident Fund. In Employee Contribution field, you will enter Employee's Contribution for PF in percentage form. So in Employee Contribution, I will enter 12. In Employer Contribution field, you will enter Employer's Contribution for PF in percentage form. So in Employer Contribution, I will enter 13. In Effective From field, you will enter the date after which this calculation for PF will be applicable. For example, as we know, earlier the calculation for PF was applicable on basic and DA earning component. But after June 2019, the calculation is applicable on gross minus HRA component. So by entering effective date, you are giving a clear instruction to system that this new calculation should only work for the payroll done from June 2019 onwards. In future, if again the calculation changes, then again you can enter the effective date for the new calculation. From earning component drop-down, select the component that are applicable for calculation. After selecting the component, you will click on Add button so that that particular component should reflect in the below table. Similarly, you will select the other component as well. Now we will talk about Employer PF bifurcation section. As you can see, above I have entered 13% as employer contribution for PF. Within 13%, 12% is for PF and 1% is for EDLI. So in employer PF field, I will enter 12. In EDLI field, I will enter 1. After entering all the detail, I will click on Save button present on the top of the screen. Once I click on Save button, a PF master will be configured in the system. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any query, please contact support team of EVA Software Solution.